Hi lovelies, welcome back to this channel. I hope you're all doing well. Spicy lovers, let's gather over here. If you want to know how to make this peppered gizzard recipe without using bell peppers, then kindly grab a seat, relax as I walk you through the steps. So these are the ingredients I will be using for this delicious recipe. They will be listed in the description with its measurements. I will start off by washing the chicken gizzards thoroughly using vinegar and salt. This should be washed a few times. In case you don't know what chicken gizzards are, they are found in the digestive tract of a chicken to help digest the food. And this is how chicken gizzards look like. Once the gizzards are thoroughly washed, I will leave it to sit in the water and move on to making the marinade. For the marinade, I will blend my aromatics. Once it's blended, I will pour the marinade or mixture over the chicken gizzards and mix till it's well coated. After it's well coated, keep it in the fridge for at least an hour or longer if you desire. So usually bell peppers are used to make the sauce, but as I mentioned earlier on, I will omit using bell peppers. Yes, it's possible to still make a delicious gizzard recipe without using bell peppers. In my cutter, I have added scotch bonnet peppers and chopped up brown onion, which will be cut into smaller pieces. Once that's done, I will transfer it into my bowl. After an hour or however long you decided to marinate your chicken gizzards for, it's time to steam it. For this recipe, I will first steam the gizzards in its own juices before frying. Steam for an hour or till they become tender. Now, for a distinctive flavor, I will add 1 bay leaf and more scotch bonnet peppers. It's time to move on to making the sauce. I left some of the marinade or mixture and will add it in my pot. So as you can see, I did not start off by heating my oil. This is simply because I want the excess liquid of the marinade or mixture to evaporate. Once the liquid has evaporated, I will go in with my coconut oil, which will give the sauce a coconutty flavor. Cook this on medium-low heat for about 10 minutes. While the mixture is gently taking its time to cook, I will check on the gizzards, and as you can see, it's nicely cooked in its own juices. Let's move on to frying the gizzards. Personally, I don't like my gizzards tough and chewy, and so these will be fried for a few minutes. 2 minutes should do on medium heat. However, if you want it chewy, fry it for a bit longer. Let's go back and check on the mixture. The liquid has evaporated, and so I can go ahead and add the aromatics, then mix it till it's well combined. Allow it to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes on low heat. Just look at the beautiful outcome of the fried gizzards. I will go ahead and add it in the pot and mix it well with the sauce. For flavor, here I have shrimp cubes and adobo seasoning. Use any other seasoning of your choice. Then mix till it's well combined and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. After a few minutes, the peppered gizzard recipe is ready. For garnish, I will use red sliced onion, or you can use scallions. Enjoy this recipe as a snack, appetizer, or any other food you desire. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Don't forget to like, and subscribe. Thank you and stay blessed.